Hello DIY friends, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to show you some easy and inexpensive home improvement projects you can do around your house. I am focusing on my cabinets in one of my bathrooms. Initially I painted them, it was an ugly brown color, and now I'm about to do a whole renovation, but right now I don't have the money for it, so I'm only going to focus on changing out the hardware. So simple and so easy. I went to Amazon and I found these in a pack of 22 for a very good price. I think it was like $16 and change. They're now gone, but I'm just going to use my power tool, take off the old ones and put the new ones on, and immediately it does a big difference in my bathroom. Another option to doing a renovation is going to be switching out the light switch plates. These plates are very inexpensive. They're like 40-something cents at Home Depot. You can also paint them any color that you like, but I'm going to leave mine at its natural color and do a quick swap out. They were literally like flowers before. Whoever had this home before loved flowers because that's all the ones they had on their plates. So I wanted mine to just be a regular color and a quick switch and I'm done. The next option is doorknobs. My dream is to change out every doorknob in my home, but that's a lot of money. So right now I'm going to get me some spray paint I got from Home Depot, and I'm going to spray paint the doorknobs in my bathroom. I'm going to go room by room just to give it a little bit of a change so I can purchase the doorknobs as I go and not worry about that huge expense. The next one is going to be the actual exhaust fans in my bathrooms. Now these exhaust fans, one I painted, this one right here I did not paint, but I wanted something to be like a little bit more like bougie or, you know, upscale. So I went to Amazon again and found me this exhaust fan plate change that is Bluetooth and I can play music and stuff. So automatically I was like, great, when I'm giving my kids a bath, I can play Disney and they can watch and listen to some different music and stuff. So here is a quick swap out of me showing you how easy it is. It's literally plug and play, take off your old grill, plug in your old fan into the socket there, and then you're just gonna pop it up and it is perfect. I played it doing showers, and my fans, these fans here are very, very loud. I was going to initially take the whole fan out, but that was a lot of work, and I'm a little bit lazy, so that wasn't going to work out for me. So I just switched everything out, and then I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like even with the fan on. A lot of reviews claim that this was very, very low, but I found out that there's an actual plastic film over the speaker part, so it's making it muffled. And here's how it sounds.
Look how many wonderful games we have. Choose any.
This was the kitchen in the very beginning. This was the kitchen in the middle of me doing the backsplash video above. And this is my kitchen now that I got everything done. Oh my goodness, it is so different. I painted my cabinets and I have a video above, you can look now. I painted them white. They have been going strong for almost, it's been like what, 4 months now, 5 months now. And for all the cabinets, they had the same type of old hardware as the one in the old video for the cabinets I did initially. So these are the same hardware changes I did. I changed the light above the sink and I changed the light in the middle of the room. It looks so much better. Plus, I took the plunge, did a little plumbing on my own, and got me a really cute sink and faucet. I had a 2-bay sink and an old type of faucet. I didn't like how it went with my new countertops. I did those as well. And you know, the sink and the faucet was a little expensive, but that's okay. Got this base cabinet from Home Depot. Total cost to make my own island, $100. Then I changed the light in my foyer to this one I got from Home Depot as well, $30. Then I changed out the faucet in all of my bathrooms in the main, half, and in this one as well. Then I changed out the actual sprayers in all of my bathrooms as well. Then I went to Home Depot again and I got these for clearance. They were so cute. Here is my dining room when I first got the house, and here is my dining room now. I am still debating if I want to do blinds or curtains. I'm not sure yet. All of these home improvement projects took me a course of 7 months to get everything how I want it to be, and I'm still working on it. You gotta go step by step, little by little, and you'll get the dream house or the dream home that you want. This one in my dining room was $40 and I love it as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great one.